Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Moisture meter from Parkside for measuring moisture in walls, cladding, building materials or firewood. Batteries included with a 3 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. We have in the manuals 2 3A batteries included. Protective cap, remove that. At the front we have the measuring pins, mode button, material selection, Celsius or Fahrenheit selection, button on off, freeze measure it value on the display, and then we have the moisture LED, dry, green color, then the yellow, and wet it is the red, green, yellow and red. And of course the battery compartment. I need to remove the screw to install the batteries. To turn on, press this button and we can see in the LEDs. With this button you can choose concrete or wood. Press and hold, you can choose Fahrenheit, press and hold, Celsius. Lock and unlock. I need something to measure. Let's say this wood. It is a little bit wet. The moisture measuring range, it is from 0.2 to 60%. And the temperature measuring range, it is from 0 to 50 degrees Celsius or 32 to 122 Fahrenheit. Wood, place it. We can see it's flashing the red. That means it is wet. And we have 31.1%, 24.3 degrees Celsius. Press this button to lock the measurement. And lock it. It's flashing wet. So easy. You can choose concrete or wood again. This area, it is drier. We need to unlock. It's not so dry. 16.7%, 24.5 degrees Celsius. Nice. Let's see this wood. It is so wet. Yeah. Press a little bit to have better measurement. And lock. 36.8%, 24.5 degrees Celsius. Unlock. That wood, it is very dry. Yep, dry. 11.3%. 24.8 degrees Celsius. Another wood. 15.6%, 24.8 degrees Celsius. And to switch it off, press and hold this button. On again. Now let's choose concrete. For such an affordable and compact device, the moisture meter is an incredibly valuable tool. Its ability to quickly and accurately measure moisture content in wood and building materials can save you from costly mistakes, like painting over damp surfaces or installing flooring in a humid environment. It's an essential diagnostic tool for any homeowner, DIYer, or even a professional. That's the Parkside moisture meter, small, affordable, and significantly effective for quick checks around the house or workshop. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Parkside tool reviews and DIY tests. Thanks for tuning in. Happy building and stay dry out there!